Sorry about that there. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Claydra Rhodes. Right now, firefighters from across Texas are now out west to help fight the deadly California wildfires. Wildland firefighters from the Houston Fire Department, along with personnel from Baytown, Conroe, Needham, and Porter, all made the trip. These are images from the Houston Fire Department showing the firefighters they sent. Tonight, they're sharing the information about the equipment that made the journey.
Essentially like it's a fire truck for structural, but it's for wildland. Bigger pump, that means bigger pumps, more water, more tools, more hose.
Officials say the crews will stay for more than 2 weeks to help out in any way they can. We're learning more about the death toll in Southern California as the devastating fire spread. At least 16 people are believed to be dead. ABC's Alex Stone has the latest from Altadena.
Nearly 10 million people across Southern California are under a red flag warning and fire weather watch through Wednesday. Progress made by firefighters over the past few days could be in jeopardy.
These winds, combined with low humidities and low fuel moistures, will keep the fire threat in Los Angeles County high.
As the fires spread, over 150,000 people are under evacuation orders and 160,000 are under evacuation warnings. The Eaton fire has burned over 14,000 acres and destroyed and damaged 7,000 structures. The Palisades fire now expanding in other directions, leaving behind over 21,000 acres scorched.
I mean, first of all, this is something we never expected because of where we are. This was the safe part of the Palisades.
On Saturday, Governor Gavin Newsom greeted Mexican firefighters who joined 13,000 workers already on the ground to fight the fires. This is the ATF. He is now leading a task force investigating the cause and origin of the Palisades fire. The number of people killed in these fires has been going up. Today, cadaver dogs are being brought into these homes to look for more victims who could not get out. Alex Stone, ABC News, Altadena, California.